Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Intercom Fin AI for conversational support automations, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Intercom Fin AI for conversational support automations, begin by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for Fin AI in the App Marketplace. Click on the Install button to add Fin AI to your workspace. Once installed, select Settings to configure the Fin AI features. Choose Conversation Routing to set up how incoming messages will be handled. Define the criteria for automatic routing based on common customer queries. Next, proceed to Automated Responses to craft your initial responses for frequently asked questions. Utilize the pre-built templates provided by Fin AI as a starting point. Customize these templates to align with your brand voice and specific customer needs. Move to training to feed the AI with sample conversations that reflect typical customer interactions. Upload relevant dialogue examples that the AI can learn from and refine its responses. Once the training data is uploaded, initiate the training session by clicking Train AI. Monitor the training process to ensure the Fin AI understands your intended conversational flow. After training, test the Fin AI by simulating customer inquiries in the test section.
Observe how the AI responds and make adjustments as necessary based on performance. Next, enable analytics to track the effectiveness of your automated responses. Review conversation logs to identify areas for improvement in the Fin AI's performance. Finally, regularly update your training data and automated responses to adapt to changing customer needs. Once satisfied with the setup, launch your Fin AI and start providing automated conversational support. Monitor its performance continuously for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small.
If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.